Relative humidity is a dog shit way to talk about how much water is in the air.
Hank, I love your takes usually, but I could not disagree more on this particular one. Now look, I get that impulse to want those absolute numbers as a scientist. So for you, you're asking about specific humidity, the amount of water per, kilogram of air. But the problem is, that's not functionally useful. And when somebody on the news, the weather guy, is telling us the humidity, we want to know what the functional implications are. And in this case, relative humidity is a much more useful data point. Things like whether or not we can successfully lay concrete, or whether or not dust mite populations will affect allergies, are specifically affected by relative humidity, not absolute or specific humidity. Whether building materials will off-gas formaldehyde and even the formation of ozone are impacted directly by relative rather than absolute or specific humidity. So I get that you don't like it, but in this case, absolute humidity would be the dog shit way to measure it, not relative humidity.